What's up, Bittorrent token holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the BTT token. What's the current price of Bittorrent token? What's the price token in the Bittorrent token? In this video, I will show you, my friends. But before starting this video, please click the subscribe button. Also, like this video, my friends. It is time if we look the latest price update of the Bittorrent token, so 0.0303 USD dollar. That is the currently price of the Bittorrent token. And you know what? In this video, I'm talking about the tomorrow you will get profit or loss from a BTT token. In this video I will show you, my friends, on the basis of technical analysis, my friends. So let's start the video, my friends. My friends, as I told you, my friends, already that the current price of this Bitcoin token is 0.003 USD dollar. Other side, you can see here the BTC Bitcoin price of the you can see here the the Bitcoin price in the Bitcoin, my friends, BTC price. Anyways, the market cap is here. 24 hours trading of the Bitcoin token is here, and available supply of the BTT. Total supply of the BTT is here, my friends. Every update is on the front of your eyes, my friends. You know what? The people are so disappointed by the Bitcoin token, but some people have still hope. They understand this Bitcoin token will give us profit. Absolutely, no doubt. Bitcoin token will give you profit, my friends. Don't be disappointed by BTT token. I know the Bitcoin token is a good coin, and the future of BTT token is very bright. There is no doubt that they will give you profit, my friends. Now the current situation, the whole chain is open in the Bitcoin token. The last 1 week, last 24 hours, last 1 hour, the whole chain is open in the Bitcoin token is negative, but this does not mean that you decide to sell. No, my friends, no. Don't do this mistake. Otherwise, if you do this mistake, so you are in the loss, because the last one pricing is still negative, so you are completely in the loss. That is why I'm telling you that please don't do this mistake and be safe from loss. You can see here, especially the yesterday price is very accurate. You can see here from yesterday the price of the BTT token is very badly fast down, very barely fast down occurs the price of the Bitcoin token. Anyways, what you think about BTT token future? I think that after a while there is a jump, so my technical analysis tells that you will get profit tomorrow. Tomorrow there is a chance that the price will pump tomorrow, my friends. So absolutely, if the price will pump, so you will get profit. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.